What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, and I am here dropping another video. If you guys are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, share our channel, turn on the bell notifications so that you guys get notified every time we drop a new video. Please excuse the way that I look today. Your girl looks a little crazy. I know, I understand, but that is the point of today's vlog. I want to take you guys along with me to do some self-care. I have an appointment to get my hair done, and I'm going to get my nails and a pedicure done. We have a double date weekend coming up with some friends of ours that we will be going to a comedy show, so I'm super excited about that. I probably have some other things that I need to do that I can't think of right now, but for the most part, that is what I'll be doing, is nails, pedicure, hair done. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today, y'all. So as you guys can see, the weather is crappy. If you can see behind me, the snow, salt, sleet, all the above. So that's pretty much what's going on today, guys. I'm out here in these streets. I'm out here in this weather. Your girl is looking crazy, but that's okay because I'm going to get myself together, okay? Okay, guys, so I just got done with my hair and I really don't like it, which is why I have my bonnet back on. I have no idea if I'm actually going to keep this hairstyle in. I'm gonna be honest. It is 7:15 p.m. My appointment was at 2:30, guys. Okay, and also I forgot to mention earlier, all of my appointments that I had today were last minute appointments that I made because The weather is extremely bad out. As you can see, my windows, it's nothing but snow. Even the schools were canceled and stuff today for the kids. So the weather was extremely bad today. And all of these appointments I made were last minute because I didn't know if the roads were going to be clear enough or if the salt trucks are going to be out to even treat the roads. And if you guys don't know, I'm going to let you know today, I do not like driving in this type of weather under these conditions, nor do I like driving in the rain. So yeah, so like I said, it's 7:15 at night. I've done all of my appointments. My hair was the last appointment, and I sat there for about, what did I say, 2:30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so about 5 hours to get my hair done. And I don't really think that I like it. So, and honestly, they started the style and I had them take that style out and do it over, and then I still don't like it. So I don't know, guys. I guess I'll have to sleep on it and see what it looks like or how I'm feeling come tomorrow. Right now I'm just sitting in my car warming it up, guys, because it is freezing out. It's freezing out, and I don't even know how. Well, I hope that the weather is way better come tomorrow, because tomorrow is the comedy event or the comedy show. So I'm hoping that the weather is going to be better come tomorrow. But guys, I ain't gonna lie, your girl is petty like that. If I wake up tomorrow and I am still not satisfied with my hair, I will be taking this out. And I hate to say it, and please don't judge me, because it is going to be like money wasted, but I don't know. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna call my friend and see what she says. But right now, your girl is not feeling it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop the vlog right here. It's getting late. I'm just waiting for my car to heat up. It's really cold and the roads are bad, so I need to get my butt home. So if you guys like this video or want to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up so that I know to continue to post videos like this. And again, please subscribe, comment, like, share our channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.